Hey peeps, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Python and PyCharm without any errors. So let's begin. Open Chrome and then search for python.org. I have dropped the link in the description, you can check it out. And then once you open this, scroll down, you'll find this download and you will see the latest version is Python 3.8.5. As of now, this is the latest version. Click on that, you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to scroll down and then you'll find this table where there are multiple links to download Python for various platforms. For Mac users, you need to download Mac OS 64-bit installer. If you are a Windows user, then you need to download Windows x86-64 executable installer. Click on that and the file will be downloaded in seconds in case you have a good internet. Once the file has been downloaded, click on the downloaded file. The installer will begin. Let me close this. Yeah, here it is. The installer has begun. Click on run. Now, this is the first step of installation. To make sure we place it in the default settings, be it in the default location. Just click on install now. It will be installed with all the default settings and path and location. But in case if you want some customization to be made, then you can click on customize installation. It's left to you to choose install with default settings, customize installation, and make sure you don't forget to check this box, as this will play some important role throughout programming in Python. Click this checkbox. I will do a customized installation, and here don't make any changes, let it be however it is. Click on next. Now I'll be changing the install location, so I will keep it to C drive and Python. So it's in C drive and Python. Okay, now we are in C drive and I don't have a folder in the name of Python where I'm trying to install this. So I need to create a folder with that name. Okay, now I have this folder Python where we installing. Then click on install. The installation, and it is another window, a small display box, and installation begins and it takes some time to install. Once the installation is complete, you can verify if the installation was right. So type Python, you will find Python 3.8. Click on that. There it is. We have Python. Let's print a simple code. Oh, I missed the double quotes. Sorry. Hi peeps. Okay, yes, it is there. We have the output exactly as we given. So it's right. Now let's cross verify the version of Python we have through command prompt to make sure we have the exact same version that we downloaded. Type Python --version. Yeah, there it is, Python 3.8.5. So the installation of Python went good. Now again open Chrome and go to this link. I've dropped the link in the description, you can check it out. Once you click on the link, you'll be redirected to this page, which is download PyCharm. You have three platforms to download it: Windows, Mac, Linux. Choose your platform minus Windows, and then you have two options: professional or community. Professional version is a fully packed version, which is also a paid one. It has a lot of functionalities, but we will be using the community version. Click on download and the download will begin. It's around 270 MB. It takes some time. I will fast forward this segment. Once the file has been downloaded, click on the downloaded file. The installation will begin. Click on run, and then we will get the setup installation dialog box. Okay, there it is. We have the setup wizard. Next, let it be default. Click on next. Yeah, now here you need to be careful. I'll be choosing the 64-bit launcher because mine is a 64-bit system, and also add launchers directly to the path. Check this box. This is left to you if you want to open a folder as a project, like if you have an existing projects in your system and you want to open them, then this would be helpful. And create association, it's again left to you. It's not much recommended. Click on next. JetBeans, click on install. The installation begins and it will take some amount of time. I'll again fast forward this segment for you. Once the installation is done, you get this dialog box asking to reboot now or I want to manually reboot later. If you are doing some stuff, you can reboot it later, saving your stuff, or else you can reboot it right away. I will reboot it now too. Once you have rebooted the system, start PyCharm. It will be placed in your desktop. The colorful PyCharm UI. I really like this platform, for Python. It's colorful, its user interface is very good. Then you get this dialog box, config or installation folder, do not import settings. If you are doing it for the first time, it doesn't matter, but if you had used it once before and you're installing it again, it's better you do it, do not import settings to make sure there's no inconsistency or any errors. Click OK, and then you can choose your UI theme, Dracula or light. Now I'm a dark fan, so I'll use Dracula. Next, and then if it asks if you want to install any support or extensions like IdeaVim, R language, and AWS Toolkit. If you really have knowledge of these, then you can go on installing them. If you do not want them or have no idea about them, just start using PyCharm. That's how you download and install Python and PyCharm without any errors. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.